Now also what I always keep in here are my, my terry cloths. And you know, these can be bought very, very cheaply, you know, $5 or $10 for a big stack of 10 of these. And I color coordinate so that I know, you know, my blue ones are for my bathrooms, for the countertops and the sinks and the mirrors and everything. My green ones are for my toilets. My yellow, my white ones actually I use for my kitchen. So I color coordinate so I know that I'm not cross contaminating anywhere. When I do my loads of laundry, I wash them on their own. Don't ever wash household cloths with laundry. I just don't personally, I wouldn't want to do that. So I'll put them in just a small load on their own. I always use a bit of bleach, and the bleach is another form of disinfectant. It helps clean. So once you've washed them, if you've used a bleach, I would always run through a white load of laundry afterwards, just to make sure you're not having any of that bleach go into your coloured clothes.